Hi, this is Joanna with Gift of Life for the Poor, and today we're going to talk about installing plugins on your WordPress blog. And for those of you that are on my newsletter, I've built your first blog, so you will be using that as your template. And so I'm using my healthdonow.com as my template. And so the first thing we need to do is to switch in to the network. Now, for those of you who don't have a plugin that turns your blog into a network, then you won't have this. You'll just do it from this screen right here. But for those of you who have the Massive Passive plugin, then you will go over here to where it says Howdy and your name and click on Site Admin. And let me do that. I'm creating this blog for a friend that's joined my newsletter, and so I have to do the same thing for over here, network admin. And the next thing we're going to do is click on install plugins, and let's do that over here too. So let's minimize this. And go over here to, okay, it didn't switch. We need to be on the network admin. We have been already on there. Okay, and then we're going to go to installed plugins, and we go to our template first, and we choose a plugin that we don't already have. Now you can read the description over here. It tells you what the plugin does, and also on the search page. But let's just go to the second one. We've already installed the first one, so right click on it, copy, then go over into your new blog, and we're going to click add new up here, or you can click it to the left. So let's do that, and then make sure you're on the search page, and then you right click in the box and paste, and then click the search plugins button. And there was no search for that one. They don't have that one anymore. So let's go to the next one, which would be, I don't have those installed because they were conflicting with some others. So let's go to let's just go down here. Let's just take the BWP Google XML sitemaps and right click, copy, and then now that your search box is up here now, to search for a new one, and then right click, paste, and click search plugins, and as you can see, there it is. And all you're going to do at this point, now you can read the description here too. It gives you a little more in-depth description, and then click install now, and click OK to are you sure. And then for those of you who do not have the network set up, then it would just say active here, but we're going to do network activate. And as you can see, it installed it for us. And that is how you install a plugin. Now for those of you who are already who have joined my newsletter, you will get a list of the plugins that I have installed on my template, so you can just copy and paste that into your search box in case you haven't got in case you were one of the ones that didn't want to ask me to build your first blog. So that will make it a lot simpler for you. Okay, and that's how you install a plugin on your WordPress blog. Thank you.
Oh, I almost forgot. Before I go, when you install a plugin, you have to go back over here, not screen options. Go back over here to the Howdy and click on Site Admin, and the plugin that you just installed, you will need to click on it and see if there is any settings that need to be installed, which will be this one is the one we installed. So you drop that down and you click on the first one and see if there's anything in here that needs to be changed. And I haven't even looked at this to see what all needs to be changed, so you just have to read that and make sure you want to ping all of these search engines when you make a post. Enable logging and enable debugging. I'm not sure about the debugging. If there's somebody watching, you can let me know about that. So it looks like that's the main thing you're going to do, but always make sure you click save, and then click on this page is probably where you're going to put your sitemap in. Yeah, you got to put your URL to your sitemap, and so that's your style sheet. Hold on. So that would be right here. So it tells you that's modules. Well, this has got more in it than it's been a while since I've been in here. But anyways, you get the idea. Right here's the plug-in, the cache. Let's see where the sitemap is. But anyways, you'll have to go in here and make sure you make the changes to that. You see the sitemap URL. So I'm not sure how this one works. I haven't been in here a while to see what I had to do. I use another one to create XML sitemaps. So anyways, so make sure you go back in there and do whatever it tells you to do for that, for each plugin that you install. Thank you, and you have a blessed day.